with the storage, it does come with the 64 gigabyte worth of storage. However, when you do log into the phone, you won't find that 64 gigs. Please tell me why it only comes with this. What am I supposed to do with this? Where is the charger? Where are the earphones? You didn't even give me a screen protector. You didn't even give me a cover. Nothing. It just came with this and that pin, obviously, to remove and put your SIM card, right? For the amount of money that I paid for this phone, you're just gonna give me this cable. This cable. Hey guys, I'm Gabby and welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, I hope you enjoy this video, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. As you can see down below, we are on a road to 200 subscribers, so please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get straight into this video. So today I'm going to be doing a cell phone review. So I was like, yeah, why not review the phone, right? So I'm going to be reviewing the Galaxy A14. This phone has been incredible, right? It surpassed all my expectations. If you've been following my journey, I've been using the phone that I'm currently recording on. I've been using this phone for about 3.5 years. This is the Samsung A03 Core, and it was a very budget-friendly type of phone. I got it just because I needed it and all of that, and it's been doing quite fine. Obviously, over time, it's been giving me quite a few problems, especially when it comes to storage and the RAM. I realized that I needed an upgrade, right? But I didn't know that the upgrade was going to come as soon as it did, right? So one random day, right, my dad was just like, okay, do your research and check what phone you would like to get, right? Because he did know that my phone was giving me problems. Now, I've always used Samsung. All the phones out that I've ever used have been Samsung. I think I've had phones here and there that might be Hisense and all of that, but all the phones that have lasted long for me have always been Samsung. So it's a brand that I've always trusted, right? So obviously I went online. I wanted to find a phone that was not only affordable but had good specs, right? It had good memory, it had good storage, it had good camera quality. Like, those are the only things I needed. So I went on to YouTube and I was doing my research, and there was one phone that kept popping up, which is the A14, right? So I was just like, yeah, this is the phone that I wanted. Like, I didn't even think twice. I didn't have a second option. This was the only phone that I wanted, right? So then I went to my dad, told him that, okay, this is the phone I want. He's like, okay, then tomorrow we are going to get your phone, right? Now, I thought that it was a joke, because you know how our parents are. They always like to lie and exaggerate about things. So I was just like, whatever, you know, he's just talking, right? The next morning, like early in the morning, he's like,
please prepare yourself. We are going to be going to the Glen to get your phone.
I'm like, what? Am I dreaming? This is a bit too good to be true. So yeah, got up, took a bath, got ready, got to the Glen. We went to a couple of stores to check the phone. We went to Incredible Connections, we went to MTN, we went to Telkom, we went to Game. Out of all the stores, Game is the only store that had this phone on a discount. So yeah, we decided to get the phone on Game, and I've just been happy ever since. So I'm just going to be talking about the specifications and yeah, what the phone basically offers. So the phone did retail at 3,800. That's the original price. However, we did get it at a discounted price at Game for 3,200. So that's like a 600 rand difference. It's a lot. It's a lot in this Ramaphosa's economy. It's a lot. So the first thing is that it comes at a 6x6 screen size with a 1080p PLS LCD panel, right? So whenever you're watching YouTube videos and whenever you are watching Netflix on your phone, it's giving 4K. Like, I was just so impressed. I'm just like, why is the quality this good? Do you understand? Why am I able to see that wrinkle on that left eye? Why am I able to see this and this? Like, the quality is just impeccable. Really, really beautiful. Really, really beautiful. You understand? It is a mid-range phone, but for the quality that it came, it was giving top class. Just that it was giving high class. The second thing is that it came with a 4GB RAM, right? And it came with a 64GB storage, right? So the RAM is really a big upgrade because with the phone that I'm currently shooting on, it comes with only a 1GB RAM. So it was very difficult for me to edit videos. It was very difficult for me to do other things. Do you get me? Will the 4GB be worth it over time? I'm not too sure about that. However, for someone that necessarily doesn't really use their phone for anything else, I think it's really, really decent, right? With the storage, it does come with the 64GB worth of storage. However, when you do log into the phone, you won't find that 64 gigs. Do you understand? Just because there are apps that are already installed for you, such as Google, YouTube, Etusa, Facebook, I think, Spotify, and all of that. So there are apps that are already installed for you on the phone. When I checked the phone, I only had 44 gigs left available, and I was just like, why? You get me? Like, this false advertising. But it's still good. It's still good because with the current phone that I'm shooting on, it only had 60 gigs worth of storage. So it is quite of an upgrade for me. The third thing is the camera quality. When I tell you that this camera quality is giving Sony, it's giving Sony, it's giving a DSL type of camera. Yo, the camera quality is impeccable. The front selfie camera comes at a 13 megapixel. The one that I'm currently using is an 8 megapixel. So as I said, it is an upgrade and the quality is quality, right? With the back camera, the main camera comes with a 50 megapixel camera, right? And it's been beautiful. Do you understand? I'm not arguing. I'm actually very, very pleased with the camera quality. So this is the A14 front selfie camera. As you can see, it's a bit more vibrant, it's a bit more accurate. And yeah, this is the camera that I'll be using from now up until I don't know when. I totally love this camera. Like, it's giving 4K. Like, it's actually giving 4K. Like, oh my gosh. It is not obviously the best of the best of the best, right? As compared to like the Samsung Galaxy S21, but it is an upgrade from what I'm currently using. The next thing is your security. If you really want to secure your phone, you can use the password, right? You can use the pattern, you can use a pin, right? But with this phone, it comes with extra features. It comes with a face recognition and it comes with a fingerprint thingy majiggy. So I was watching a lot of tech reviewers and they were saying that the sensor is a bit slow and all of that. But then when I try it, it's immediate. It's fast. It's automatic. So I was just like, okay, what are you saying? What are you saying? Let's try it again, right? Automatic. So for the phone to come with a biometric security type of vibe at this price is absolutely impeccable. It's actually amazing, right? It is actually amazing. I'm very pleased. Like, I'm not gonna lie, like, I'm actually very pleased. The next thing I'm gonna talk about when it comes to this phone is the battery life. The battery life is actually insane. It does not make any logical sense because ever since I got this phone, remember, I've only had this phone for a week, but I've only charged this phone twice. I've only ever charged this phone twice, and I'm someone that is constantly on my phone. If it's not recording or editing, it's me watching a lot of podcasts or watching a lot of videos. Like, I'm constantly on my phone, right? So for it to have this for it to have a long life worth of battery is actually amazing. Like, maybe it's because it's new, né? I don't know, but I barely charge this phone. Right? One thing that I do have to point out, right? Because the phone is so slim, please don't expect much, right? Because please tell me why, né? Please tell me why it only comes with this. What am I supposed to do with this? Where is the charger? Where are the earphones? You didn't even give me a screen protector. You didn't even give me a cover. Nothing. It just came with this and that pin, obviously, to remove and put your SIM card, right? Where in the hell am I supposed to find a charger that's going to help me charge this? Where is the adapter? Where, for the amount of money that I paid for this phone, you're just going to give me this cable? This cable. This is the only problem I have with Samsung currently. Now, what is this? That's why I've been stuck using my brother's charger. I'm very disappointed. I was expecting more. Now I have to go out of my way to get an adapter. I have to go out of my way to get earphones or headphones. I barely use them, right? I'm not really arguing about that. But anyways, it's supposed to be offered to me. This is the first time ever I'm getting a phone from Samsung without earphones or a charge. I'm disappointed. I'm highly disappointed. I did get mine in a color green. It is available in green and black. I just wanted to get green just because I've always ever had black phones, right? I wanted to change things up, you understand? I wanted to be different. So yeah, another thing is that it does come with a 24-year warranty from Samsung, and it comes with a year warranty from Game, right? So if this phone isn't working the way it's supposed to, I can always bring it back to Samsung, and if there is no way of repairing the phone, then I can definitely get a new one from Samsung, right? So the question is this phone worth getting? Absolutely. This phone is worth it because not only do I have the advantages of having an Android, but I also have the top quality of having an iPhone. Do you understand? An iPhone or a really high-end smartphone, right? Totally recommend. I totally recommend it. I wouldn't necessarily recommend it for gamers because gamers need a whole lot of RAM when playing their games and so forth. But for a content creator, this phone is highly recommended, right? So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new to this channel, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you get notified every single time I drop a new video. And from me to you guys, see you on my next video. Peace.